name is Iron Man.
My name is Pyjama.
And today I had
Ali.
a pajama day.
And today I had a pajama day.
And I made very good day. It was a very good day.
It was a very good day.
Did you eat popcorn?
Yeah.
I ate popcorn.
No.
And I'm Iron Man.
And I'm Iron Man.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
And your name is علي صح؟ قلنا السوبر هيرو بتاعك اسمه ايه؟ طيب. What's your name? Hi Ali. Your superhero is Batman. طب احنا طلعنا فوق ولا لا؟ Get high. ميكي is not a superhero اصلا. يلا مين تاني؟
أنا.
What's your superhero؟ تعالى. What's your name؟ انت بتفكر في اسمك. اسمك ايه؟ حسين. And your superhero is Iron Man. جرب تقول I love the pajama day today بصوت Iron Man. Again, your name is قول بقى يلا. I love the pajama day today. ايه يا عم ده؟ هنقول كده I love the pajama day today بصوت Iron Man. شيل ايدك من جيبك بصوت Iron Man. I love the pajama day today. يلا.